There is so much happening here in the booth. We've got everything from specialty fabrication, we've got welders, we've got cutters, but this is where the magic is really going on here, because this is ESAB University. We have a full list and lineup of classes going on all day, and that's so important because these welders and cutters and students that are coming to this show get access to some of the best and brightest in the industry. Some of their heroes, some of the stars, some of the people that they want to be tomorrow can all be seen right here at ESAB University throughout the day of the course of the show. Best of all, ESAB believes in giving back to the community, so once a day we're offering the opportunity for at least one person to walk away with a prize pack of either a welder or a cutter. So one way or another, you're going to come here and get some awesome information, but you just might walk away with the ultimate prize.